What's going on, everyone? I'm doing a really good education for you. I'm going to use these two brand new homes in Belmont as a perfect example. This neighbor right here, they decided to put their house on the market in February for $600,000. Now, there's a lot of buyers out there. Everyone's making great offers, but one buyer makes a ridiculous offer. Why? Because they lost out on so many houses. They need to move. They've already sold their house. So this house was asking $600,000, and that buyer offered $650,000. And this ends up closing for $650,000. Now, what no one knows is that all the other offers were around $610,000. So that $650,000 offer was one of a kind. Interest rates were really low. Buyers were super desperate, sold their house, needed to go somewhere. Now come June, July, and this neighbor goes, well, I want $650,000. Well, why do you want $650,000? Well, they sold their house for $650,000. I'm the same exact house. I should get $650,000. Well, what you don't realize is, one, those were lower interest rates. Two, that buyer was super desperate, right? And three, there's a lot more inventory. When this house was on the market, there was maybe one other house. Now yours is on the market and there's like 50 other houses. Yes, the bank might use this as a comparable, as a comp, even though we'll go over that in a different video where it shows that comps only stay around for 6 months. But so many people try to say, my house is worth more, or my house is worth this because my neighbor, but they don't know the situation. Just because your neighbor sold their house for X amount of dollars doesn't mean your house is worth it, okay? You have to understand, times are different, interest rates are different. There's so many different things in play that are going to justify a price or justify a decrease in price, whatever the case may be. So don't go by what your neighbor or down the street sold for, especially months ago, because it's not going to come into play. And comps are going to start disappearing of these ridiculously overpriced homes, and they're going to start using the new price decreases and whatnot on homes that you're starting to see. So any questions, let me know. I'm Karen. Talk to you soon.